guys, for today's video, I will show you how to make an easy, moist banana bread with chocolate chips. If you want to know how I do it, please keep on watching. You will need... Let's start. Alright, so first is you have to preheat the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel your bananas and mash it in a bowl, just like so. For this recipe, it is highly recommended to use overripe bananas. Time to beat the eggs. Add the oil and bananas. Continue to mix until the ingredients are well blended. Set aside. For the dry ingredients, combine flour, salt, baking soda, and sugar. Gradually add the flour mixture to the banana mixture. Continue to fold until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Add the vanilla extract and mix. Chocolate chips, you guys! You can add as many as you want. It's now time to pour the mixture on a loaf pan. You can use any baking pan for this. As you can see, I used Lanera's because that is what I have available. Just make sure to grease it well or use wax paper so it won't stick to the pan. Top it off with more chocolate chips. Pop it in the oven. Bake for 50 minutes or until it passes the toothpick test. Looking good! Here you have it, moist banana bread with chocolate chips inspired by Panlasang Pinoy recipe. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section.